Well, guess what? I just said I was back in 10 seconds. It's 10 seconds. So, I'm back here with another little bitty hair dryer. So, let's get my scissors here. I'm gonna cut the
side.
Cut this fucking cord off. Oh, cord. Band off.
Cutting the cord off?
No. I said the band. And I gotta cut the tag off too. Damn tag. So guys, how many people hate warning tags? Comment down below, say I. Shook now. I get no warning tag off. The warning alarm. The beep, 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 beep. That noise. That alarm. Now. Warning alarm is coming off. Here we go, guys. I'll get off my leg, you little bastard. Haha! Excuse my language, though, guys. I know, I don't mean to cuss a lot, but you know what? When things really make me mad, I do. I'm sorry. I don't even want you on there. Get off of there, baby. Alright, let's cut this little freaking whatever the hell this is. Get that fucking tag out on there before I gag on it. Like that. YouTubers. Demolition Devin silly. Even my buddy over here thinks I'm silly, huh?
Yeah. He's big time silly.
What the hell and how the hell did they put this thing on there?
Let me just get it off. I know how.
I got it. They welded on there.
No, they didn't.
Yeah, they did.
Let me get it off.
I got it. Oh.
Here, don't cut it. Don't cut it.
Pull on. Pull on the end of it. On the end of this.
See?
There we go. Now we broke the weld.
Now I can hit it. Huh.
Smash your finger.
No. Let me hit it with the hammer.
Hold on.
Okay, when I see it turning red, I'm gonna stop, okay? And give it to you.
Alright. So here's what we're doing. I'm trying to figure out where the fucking suction comes in at. But here's what we're doing. Okay? I'm gonna...
It just turned light on.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, Oof. Come on.
It's not plugged in, remember?
I know that. I was trying to fucking reset it.
How do you reset it?
Old hair dryers, I guess you have to. Now. Come on.
Can we hit it with the hammer?
Oh, sorry guys. Am I still recording?
Yeah.
Alright.
Can we hit it? Here, I can hit it. Okay?
Lay down, hit right there. Right there.
Right on this side?
Yeah, what? Right here.
Okay. Okay, let me know.
Hey, hang on. You shut it off. Hang on. Okay.
I powered it off.
How the hell?
Did I do it?
No, the same. hard. Hit it hard. I gotta hold it. Are you still on? Is the switch on? That's what I'm asking.
Yes.
What? You gotta hold it. You're fine. Hey, you wanna hit like that? What a check in.
Huh?
What a check in.
Who?
This fucking thing. Okay. Here's your screen. Okay, people. Guess what? Yeah, we both like that. We want this, we want this. Oh shit. Alright, so ooh, that's hot. Ooh, God. Oh, shit. Oh. Oh, God. Oh, God. Barely. Oh, God. Holy shit. Holy fuck. Oh. Those wires are hot too. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh shit. Put my heating element, guys. Alright, so let's tear this thing apart here. First, let's cut this cord off. Yeah. This thing is old and junk. Wow. I freaking... Damn.
Huh?
That's a damn.
What?
I'm looking through the, what do you call it? The cord of the tool chest or whatever.
Oh, wow.
What do you got?
Popsicle.
Huh?
Popsicle.
So I said pop pickle. Something like that. Hey, We're gonna destroy the grill here in a little bit, okay?
Okay.
Not that big one, but the little one. Sorry, but I want to do something all day.
You do?
Yep. We pick up all those hairdryer pieces,
Wait.
every bit of them, and throw them in the garbage.
Every small one
Yeah.
and big one?
Yeah.
Like the small ones?
Yeah.
If I can do that.
You know what I'm talking about though, right? The hairdryer pieces laying on the floor. Get the grill out and put it over here.
Wait.
And just put the hairdryer pieces in the garbage, or in this box, and take the box out to the desk.
Guys know what that is. It's a
Zeal. It says Zeal. We're not gonna YouTube it though. We're not gonna YouTube it. We're just gonna have a little fun with it, you know what I mean? Put two on the bottom too. Well, what the hell, hairdryer? What the hell? What the hell?
what?
They put two on the top and one on the bottom.
Of what?
That has screw. Alright.
Go to the attic.
No, whoever made this hairdryer. How many hairdryers were there?
Of at wheel.
That place we went to.
Attic.
Uh-huh.
Four. White.
Huh?
That goes to these two. Six.
There were 6 there?
Yeah.
So we took all 6 of them?
No, only two, 4 of them.
We should have took all 6 of them.
You know why we didn't?
Why?
They're too expensive.
Really?
They're like $10.
A piece. Alright guys, like I said before, I'm sorry my phone's been charging. But my phone ran dead after the second hairdryer demolition. So here we are, switch. And then so here is our I don't know what this is really called, but here's our fan. That's the fan, and so it goes. But alright, that's the end of that video. You guys have fun. I hope you guys did. Talk to you guys whenever. Peace.